Hey y'all, this is the Crazy Cowboy and we're out here on the four-wheeler. I know I'm wearing a Green Bay Packers shirt. I was gonna clean my vehicle today, that's why I wore it. Oh, I'm just giving crap. I'm just sitting out here on the hill watching a storm roll in on us. Saw some bolts of lightning, I know. Safe, right? Here, I'll show you. Beautiful storm. Gonna bring some good moisture into the area. I think I scared the living crap out of a guy. Oh, there. Probably saw that. No, I came up over this hill I'm sitting on, and there it was, Mitsubishi. Wind's kind of blowing out of the northwest. The storm itself is moving directly towards us. So, we'll see what happens. Will we get tornadic tonight? I don't know. I know. I wear my cowboy boots like a dweeb sometime. Or however you wear them. Some people like them over the sides and other people don't. Nope. Just gonna sit up here and watch the world go by. If anything interesting happens, I think I'm just gonna delete a bunch of stuff on my phone and live stream it. Pretty cool. I mean, I'd love to see a tornado someday, but I'm not sure this is where I'd want to see it. It's kind of right next to my house. Just looking over there, there's some old trucks. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to go talk to that guy later. Lovely weather. Lots of rain. Lots of rain. Lots and lots of rain. See the CHS building. Marmon Energy. Another old truck. That one ain't for sale though. So yeah, we're just sitting up here. Nothing much going on. Welcome to South Dakota. Anyway, this is the Crazy Cowboy. I'm gonna punch out right now. Bring you back if anything interesting happens yet tonight. Crazy Cowboy, signing out.